stop scrolling. Here are 5 shocking facts about birds that spread fires to hunt.
Number 5.
These birds swoop into active fires and grab burning sticks with their talons.
Number 4.
They carry the glowing embers far away and drop them onto dry grass.
Number 3.
New fires quickly ignite, sending insects and small animals running.
Number 2.
The birds circle the flames and hunt the animals trying to escape. Before the last one, if you think this puppy is cute, like and subscribe. If you don't, oh, but I know you will because caring people always do. Drop a heart if you love animals.
Number 1.
After the fire dies down, they repeat the process, starting new fires just to hunt again. My bro and sis, did you know birds could do this? Comment yes or no.